Tired of brownies that stick to the pan? They always crumble, making your family grumble. Well, I've got the solution. Hi, Kathy Mitchell here with my new Red Copper Brownie Bonanza. This is not your regular old baking pan. Everything slides right out, even my sticky marshmallow treats. Watch how easy. Just pour in batter, insert this brownie grid, and pop it in the oven. Wow, 18 loaded fudge brownies already sliced. How nice. Now place your brownies on this stand and you've got an instant serving tray. Perfect for parties, picnics, or backyard barbecues. And if you love those edges, Brownie Bonanza bakes each piece separately, so every bite of my s'mores brownies are chewy outside and gooey inside. Stuff them, stack them, or frost them. It's truly a Brownie Bonanza. And thanks to Red Copper non-stick ceramic, your brownies never stick, so you never scrub. Try cheesecake, red velvet, or cookie dough brownies. Your family will go bananas. Bananas, try that too. But don't stop there. Layer pie crust, filling, and cake mix. Then drizzle with butter for my famous apple pie dump cake. Perfectly cut and ready to serve. And it keeps getting better. The kids will devour these pizza bites or biscuit sliders. With Brownie Bonanza, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it's dishwasher safe.